Hegel's theory is that punishment, that is, pain inflicted because the sufferer had previously done wrong, may lead to repentance for the crime which caused the punishment. We have now to consider whether this is true. Our thesis is not that it always produces repentance, which of course is not the case, but that there is something in its nature as punishment which tends to produce repentance. And this, as we have seen, is not a common theory of punishment. Men do not, says George Eliot in Felix Holt, chap 41, men do not become penitent and learn to abhor themselves by having their backs cut open with the lash. Rather, they learn to abhor the lash. That the principle expressed here is one which often operates cannot be denied. Can we so far limit its application that Hegel's theory shall also be valid? We have so far defined punishment as pain inflicted because the sufferer has done wrong. But looking at it more closely, we should have to alter this definition, which is too narrow and does not include cases of unjust or mistaken punishment. To bring these in, we must say that it is pain inflicted because the person who inflicts it thinks that the person who suffers it has done wrong. Repentance, again, is the realization by the criminal, with sufficient vividness to govern future action, that he has done wrong. Now, is there anything in the nature of punishment to cause the conviction in the mind of the judge to be reproduced in the mind of the culprit? If so, punishment will tend to produce repentance.